This is Zach from the future, guys. Just got the kayak loaded up. Behind me over here is the swamp that I was just in. What you're about to watch is arguably the worst kayak duck hunt ever. Shot at 2 ducks, missed both of them. Got out of my kayak onto some ice, broke through the ice, filled my boots with water, got shot at, and to top it all off, well, I should say, some pellets fell by me because another hunter was shooting at a duck that I assume was in my area. But enjoy me paddling around in the swamp and missing ducks. Sweet. I'm about to record the drone footage. You're not allowed to hunt in Utah with drones, and they use a lot of verbiage in there. You're not allowed to like hunt, herd, harass, or I forget what the other words are, but like identify or like, you know, go looking, scouting for them. So I'm done now. Now I'm gonna get out my drone. I'm gonna fly over and kind of show you where I was, or just get some B-roll. Today's the last day of the season, so until next time. Okay guys, we are, red-winged blackbird, very cool. Total transparency, this is the second day out here. First day we came out, saw nothing but coots. Oh wow, so that just got really close. And I didn't really feel like shooting coots, so came back out. But this time, if I don't see anything but coots, I'll probably shoot a coot. So stay tuned. There's already, I see dozens up there already. I know the GoPros are bad footage, but maybe you could see that. Oh, there goes some right there. Very cool. Now you'll see some drone footage, but it's illegal to hunt with drones in Utah. So I don't even have my drone on me right now. What I'm gonna do is, I haven't even recorded it yet. I'm going to go back to the car, put my gun and my ammo away, and then come back out and get some drone footage. So that way I'm not hunting with a drone or using it to locate wildlife while hunting. So there you go. Oh, just heard a gunshot. Oh, there's some hunters over there. Okay, stay tuned. Hopefully we see something cool. It is the last day of duck season. Duck, mergansers. I don't think scalps are in season. I never see any anyways, but coots are in season. And all of the geese. I don't see any geese. Oh, there goes some coots. Flying away, or running away, I don't know. They kind of run on the water like that. The American coot, most closely related to or I guess more closely related to chickens, I think, than they are to ducks. Poule d'eau. In French, it's water hen. Or hen of water, I guess. Okay, hopefully we find something. Okay, look at this. We've got a, woohoo! We've got a beaver den here. Look at all these coots, they're everywhere. Anyways, cool beaver den. I don't know, it doesn't look super new. Oh no, yeah, there's some mud up there. Let's come around. Yeah, it's got some mud. You can see the gnaw marks on some of those logs too. It's fun. Okay, let's keep going. Wow, lots of shots over there. I don't know what they're shooting at though, because they were just getting up their decoys. They're probably also shooting coots. Okay. It's getting colder. And it's getting snowier. I just saw some ducks fly by. A little bit too far to see what they were, but it's good weather. Good weather for duck hunting. The hard part about this is, oh, there go two more. I was just about to say, the hard part about this is getting my paddle out of the way, getting my gun up in time, and shooting before they run away or fly off. I've got to practice that because that was ugly. Okay, man, yeah, I saw 2 or 3 jump up, and then real close to me, 2 or 3 more jumped up out of these reeds. I don't want to call them cattails. I guess there are some cattails in here. It's kind of hard sometimes in this situation to identify a duck versus a coot when they're flying already. But the best way for me is to see them as they're taking off. A coot kind of runs along the ground, whereas ducks take off a little bit more vertically. Because, you know, with the light right now, everything's just black. It's just a black bird. So I have to be careful with my identification here. Okay, it's not going to be in there. Okay guys, I have no idea if I got that on GoPro or not. I think I smacked this one. Oh wow, that battery's dead. I gotta hop out and change it. I don't think I got it on this one. I might have got it on this one, but a bunch of ducks jumped up. I smacked this GoPro with my oar, trying to change hands to grab my gun. Shot at the bird, missed the bird. Dropped my oar, had to row back with my bare hands. Oh, look at this coot right here. And then, woohoo! Rowed back with my bare hands. Got out of my kayak to step on some ice to kind of regather all my stuff. Broke through the ice, and now my boots are full of ice water. We might not be out here much longer, guys. Okay, just changed the battery in the kayak. Had to kind of paddle through some ice. This is hard stuff, man. This is sketchy. Some dude was just shooting at me. Probably not at me, but at some ducks. And I could hear the pellets coming down here in the water. He's right over there. I could see him standing there now. Well, let's get out of here. Scary. Oh, I think we've reached the end of the line. The rest of the river is frozen. Rest of the river is frozen. Man, what an unfortunate day. Very few ducks, if any. Super snowy. Getting shot at by other hunters. My boots are full of water. Let's get out of here. This really sucks because it's a lot of work to put all this stuff together. I've got to charge all my GoPros, my spare batteries, you know, on top of just getting my gear ready, my gun, my kayak, my boots, my ammo. Gotta charge my drone spare battery, my phone. Man, a lot of work goes into this, and it's really bummy when it turns out like this. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, just getting back in. Terrible, terrible duck hunt. That's the end of the season. See you guys next time.